What's up, y'all? We're live here at the Lifestyle Expo in San Jose, California. Lead educator with the Anders Clipper Company, international educator with the Escrow brand. I just want to tell you, man, today we got a chance to do some education in front of a lot of individuals from the California area. Because of the Lifestyle Expo, it wasn't just barbers and stylists, and you all know that I love to educate barbers and hairstylists, but I got a chance to speak in front of other individuals from other walks of life. And when we talked about empower them to become a better version of themselves, I shared some nuggets of wisdom that help them become not just a better version of themselves, but empower them to do the right things that help them become more successful than what they are at this particular point. Because everybody's aspiration and wanting to become better. And today I got a chance to share some tips. I love to be able to do that one because I've been blessed by God to be able to learn so much from my mentors. So I feel like it's a responsibility of myself to share things that I've learned and things that I've been empowered in, because I didn't know a lot and I put myself around people who did know those things. They put me in the know. So it's my job to put others in the know so that they can become successful too. And I got a chance to do that here today at the Lifestyle Expo. Shout out to Dave Diggs. We put out a great event every single time. We're right in the middle of another great one. Listen, I got to get back to the show because I got to judge the barber competition. It's going down right now, and it's an amazing one. I want to see you next year.